This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major Snowstorm is headed towards Illinois on Sunday, February the 1st, 2015. It's going to bring up to 20 to 30 plus centimeters of snow, especially in Chicago, Illinois and Springfield, Illinois as well. It's going to bring lots of snow. It's going to be some blown and drifted snow. It's going to be reduced visibility. It's going to be a lot of snow. Since a low pressure system is going to track south the state of Illinois, it's going to bring lots of snow in the state of Illinois on Sunday, February the 1st, 2015, especially in Chicago, Illinois as well. It's going to bring lots of snow. It's going to be very strong winds for people living in Illinois, especially in Chicago, Illinois and Springfield, Illinois as well. It's going to bring lots of snow. Roads will be snow covered. Streets will be snow covered. Highways and interstate highways will be snow covered as well. In the state of Illinois, it's going to bring lots of snow. Blowing and drifted snow. Windy conditions. And it's a reduced visibility for the state of Illinois as well. People in Illinois, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready. Hats, gloves, and scarf, and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G, 4G ready. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car. Slow down so you don't get in car accidents. When you go for a walk, don't slip and fall. Be very careful walking. Once the snowstorm is over, weather will turn brutal, bitter cold in the state of Illinois. After the snowstorm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your furnaces ready and turn on your furnaces to keep the house warm. Make sure to have your shovels ready, snow scoops ready, snow blowers ready, snow plows ready, and salt trucks ready as well for people living in Illinois, especially in Chicago and Springfield, Illinois as well. It's going to bring lots of snow in the state of Illinois on Sunday, February the 1st, 2015. It's going to bring blowing and drifted snow. Roads will be very slippery. Streets, highways, and interstate highways will be snow covered as well. If you have anybody living in Illinois, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Sunday, February 1st, 2015. Best luck to you, people in Illinois. Be prepared for a major snowstorm on Sunday. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a major snowstorm. Stay warm, be safe.